I want to welcome everyone for attending today's inaugural webinar session called Generative Entrepreneur. The mission of this webinar series is to help our customers accelerate their generative AI applications to market and deploy them to production at scale. My name is Jason Virtue, your host for this webinar series. As a principal partner solution architect at Microsoft, I work for our global partner solutions organization, collaborating with system integrators and ISVs to bring these cutting edge applications to life across the Americas. I'm also a global community practice lead for our One Microsoft community. I help our customers, partners, and employees with their adoption and readiness needs. Before Microsoft, I worked in corporate America as a consultant at IBM, a data warehouse developer at TracFone Wireless, and a business intelligence manager at Carnival Cruise Lines. I delivered new analytical platforms, pushed the boundaries of innovation, and managed the digital operations of our shipboard fleet. I've walked in your shoes, and I plan to bring my personal experiences into this talk to drive generative AI applications to productions. Now let's talk about the origin story of this webinar series. Over the past 18 months, we've witnessed an explosive growth curve in generative AI application. It's been a wild ride, and the curve is steeper than anything I've seen in my lifetime. We've seen large language models and generative AI open up new use cases and capabilities that most of us would never thought was possible. Our customers are experiencing huge productivity gains, new ways of interacting with their data, and a richer Copilot experience. But with all this growth, we haven't had enough time to help our customers understand their readiness needs. We'll use this platform to evangelize on generative AI so you can increase your market adoption. So, what can you expect from future sessions? We'll start by guiding you through the journey of bringing LLM applications to market from design thinking to deployment. We'll share a roadmap of future capabilities so you know what's coming. Likewise, we'll cover tools and capabilities available, helping you understand which tool are right for the job. We'll dive into OpenAI use cases, business cases, and how to monetize them for your applications. I'll share customer stories, architectural patterns, recipes, and readiness materials to help you ramp up quickly. And of course, we'll discuss responsible AI, ensuring we're using these applications for responsible use cases. Our target audience is for business executives and technical developers. I plan to wear two different hats to help evangelize the Better Together story, which is central ingredient to success. We'll have a variety of speakers, roundtables, whiteboards, demonstrations, and live events with Q&A across this series. This series will aim to educate, inspire, and equip you with the knowledge and tools to succeed in the world of generative AI. I hope this kickoff trailer has given you a taste of what's to come and our unique value proposition. We plan to run these series twice a month, and we cannot wait to have you join us in the future. Let's embark on this journey together and turn AI magic into reality for your organization. Take care, and we'll talk more in the future, and thank you for attending today's session.